Aggregate output with government. Um, what we have done earlier is that our closed economy model was consisting of only two sectors. One is consumers, another is firm. Now we are adding one more sector to this model, that is government. Now government can also affect the aggregate output. The ways in which government can affect aggregate output is, one is through taxation and other is to government spending. Okay. Now these are the tools of fiscal policy, both taxes and government spending. Now how do they affect aggregate output as such? Say for example, this is our initial level of aggregate expenditure where y is equal to c plus I plus g1. Okay, this is the level of the aggregate expenditure at which the government expenditure is g1. Suppose this increases to g2. The level of government expenditure in this economy increases. So this will increase the amount of the aggregate expenditure and it will cut the 45-degree line at point E2. Earlier point was E1. This is E2. And this defines at E1 the level of equilibrium output was Y1 star. At E2 the level of equilibrium output is Y2 star. Okay. Now as you could notice that this parallel shift is actually defining the amount of increase in the government expenditure. This one. This is the increase in delta G. But this much is the increase in delta Y. So this is due to the multiplier effect. That is, output in this economy has increased more than the amount of increase in the government expenditure. Okay, so when G increases, there is a multiplier effect. Okay, in our next recording, we'll be taking this further, and we'll be talking about that how do you calculate government spending multiplier.